Why do I keep allowing price to dictate what I'm going to do, and why don't I just do what price is doing? Coming into the day, this orange fair value gap. Um, it's 8:30 fair value gap from yesterday from PPI News, and we hit consequent encroachment and just start rolling over. We also have a bearish SMT with Nasdaq and ES at these highs. Price rolls over, creates a CASD, comes back up into this fair value gap, or this one rolls over, comes down to these relative equal lows, doesn't take them out, creating more relative equal lows, more sell side. Price then rallies higher. It's now 940, comes up, taps consequent encroachment once again. Create another SMT with ES, which is already marked out here. We get a CASD here. Price retraces, and then comes back down and invalidates it. This should have been a good entry for shorts. Entry just wasn't there. Price just isn't efficient today. Then we come lower, go down here, create another S&T. Nasdaq takes out this low, ES doesn't. CISD above this high, or you could say above this high as well. Retracement to this fair value gap. And I guess we'll see here what happens. Price has already taken out these highs on ES and Nasdaq. They haven't even got above these highs, so that means there's an S&T at these highs as well. CISD, retracement to fair value gap. This is another setup for shorts, possibly. Target the lows down here. This is the hourly fair value gap on Nasdaq. This hourly down here. That's where I have this targeted at. I mean, yes, I have a long bias because of this S&T. I don't think it's gonna get held up. This doesn't look like a very strong S&T or a low at least. Price goes up, sweeps these highs, rolls over, goes back to the fair value gap. It's probably gonna dump. I'm just allowing price to get the best of me. I was long bias going into the day because we dumped like crazy yesterday and then we came back up. Took out these relative equal highs. I should have been short bias to be honest, because we took out these relative equal highs. We basically swept them on the hourly. We did sweep them on the hourly. And then we started coming lower. But on the 15 minutes, NASDAQ had a CISD. ES did not. So that's a bullish SMT. So ES is more bullish than NASDAQ. And this was created at 9:45. So at this low. I'm guessing it's lower here then. It was created, closed. Price is starting to rally higher. Maybe just to retrace this fair value gap. Maybe to invalidate this fair value gap and continue higher. Like creating bullish fair value gaps. Tapped into it there. Did we finally hit our bullish bias? I don't know. Let's see here, I guess. ES is also more bullish because we have this 1 hour fair value gap that we tapped into. NASDAQ has no 1 hour fair value gap to be tapped into. We actually disrespected this bullish fair value gap. And now in ES, we're coming back into this fair value gap. This bullish one on the 1 minute. Struggling to get above this. If we can get above here, then we're probably going to go to these highs. Let's get close. Oh, ooh, Lord, it's gross. Hello, kitty. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4 highs to be taken out. These relative low highs as well. 1, 2, 3 highs to be taken out. I would like for us to be able to get at least to here, so I can take some partials. So you can see there's a big SMT with these highs. This is why I'm taking partials at these highs. I don't know if they just got taken out or let's see. Just didn't take it out. Literally tapped it, just didn't take it out. Exactly on it. It's crazy. It's okay, we still have 1 minute bullish structure. Creating more for value gaps. That should take me out here. Partials at least. There's that. And I could break even now. Let's see if this hourly wants to get up here. to this high. It's possible. Nasdaq just has to catch up. 5 minute bullish structure, but we're in this 5 minute fair value gap. Inverse to fair value gap. Like it might take us lower. See here. There's no reason for us to go below this low. Looks like Nasdaq might be actually using this to go higher. Yeah, this rejection block here on the 1 minute though. I haven't tapped it yet. At least we're gonna get up to this high. Get back into this fair value gap. If you want to continue higher, we probably will now. What's that first percentage we just tapped into on Nasdaq? Bro, got a haircut yesterday and my fucking head looks humongous now. Like actually fucking huge. This bitch fucking cut off all my hair. You a fucking nigga, bro. Oh! Looks like we might not continue higher after taking out these highs. But genuinely, I wouldn't call this an efficient sweep. So we could just be coming for a retracement here. We look pretty bullish on the 5 minute on ES at least. Nasdaq looks like we're starting to create some distribution to the upside. I guess she looks ugly, but hourly are starting to come back higher. We had an hourly retracement. Maybe that's what that was. because we did have those down here as well. Let's see if we can get some expansion into this 5 or 1050 macro. Oh, I'm seeing lower prices from here. Use this inverse to go lower. To go buy side. Also S&P at these highs. It's most likely is going to be the end of the trade. That's it. Um, I lost and blew my funded account again today. That's two this week. I don't exactly know what my problem is. Maybe it's just over trading, which is a possibility. Coming into the day, I was originally bullish. I thought we wanted to be going higher, but as soon as market opens, but not even before market opens, actually, we come up to this fair value gap, touch consequent encroachment, and then start rallying lower, knowing this is an important fair value gap, and we tapped consequent encroachment and reacted like we would off of a fair value gap. I should have known that we were going to be bearish today. And then I wanted to sit on my hands until 9:40 because that was one of the things I realized yesterday. I was just entering too early. It's not even 9:40, it's 9:37, and I'm waiting for a retracement into this fair value gap because I wanted to take shorts off here. But then for some reason, I've never done this before. I put the limit order here just in case it comes up here because I wanted it to come up here. And I put the limit order. It looks different here. I don't know, where did I do that actually? I don't know, it's just really odd. And I don't know why I did something like that because we entered this fair value gap, yes. But they started rallying lower. I don't even know. This is also tricky as well because why did we come all the way back up here to take all these highs if we wanted to just roll over? And then we just chopped. So it was just bad price action. I think over trading and bad price action leads to blown accounts. and I have to take accountability for that. It was just bad price action. If I would have just taken one trade, I would still have the account, and I would have just lost just because we're just in bad price action. And I had a feeling today's price action was gonna be bad because of what happened overnight. We expanded so high. I should have had a loose bearish bias as well because I wanted to see us retrace back into this area so we can eventually go higher and take out these highs. So maybe tomorrow we'll be bullish. Um, I just don't know. Anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully I do better tomorrow. Probably won't buy an account until Monday. Or I might buy one tomorrow and take one trade. How I've been saying, take one trade. Um, and that's it. One trade in and out. I'm gonna be patient. Be waiting until I might wait 15 minutes tomorrow. And if price action leaves me, it just leaves me, you know? But just waiting is more important, I feel like. Because if I would have waited, like, this is so nasty in here. But if I would have waited until like 9:45, literally 9:45, come up, sweep out this high, create an S&T, then price moves lower, comes back up into this fair value gap, I would have entered in this fair value gap. I would have been stopped out, yes, but well, technically, I shouldn't because I should be like, all right, SMC here, we come back up higher, no fair value gap, then we get our CSD. It just never worked. Honestly, nothing worked today except for this long, and it didn't even work to where I wanted to see it to go to. Because not till literally not until like 10:19 do we have a real entry for a long. Price action today was just bad. That's all I gotta say. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow. God willing.